Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Hermosa here again. This is the packaging, just this drawstring bag with the wig on the inside, which we're gonna get into. I got a goodie bag and there's nothing else inside of that drawstring bag. I got 2 pairs of lashes, a branded elastic headband, some brushes, and a set of false nails, press-ons, and a pair of HD wig caps. This is the wig that I got today. It's a 220% density number 4. That's a chocolate brown colored wig, hidden strap, snug fit, 360 HD lace frontal wig. Is pre-bleached already, and this is how it looks on the inside. I was showing you guys the Invisi straps in the back. There are 2 on either side at the back there. This is what is used to adjust how tight or loose you want your wig cap to fit on your head. And it also has this adjustable elastic band on the inside, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to go ahead, jump into installing this wig, and I'm going to show you guys how you could get a nice ponytail vibe with a wig like this. These waves, I must say, they're also so soft and silky. I really love that. The feel of it feels really good. So I can't complain. As I say, it comes pre-cut, so that's really nice if you don't really have much knowledge and you're just trying out with installing wigs for the first time. I think, you know, that's something that's very convenient when the wig comes pre-cut. I did opt to use glue to do this install today.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. Won't please you.
So this is where I pretty much adjust the Invisi straps on the side at the back there, and it's very self-explanatory. All you need to do is pull that little knob like thingy, and I just took away the rest of it beneath the cap. Now, as I said, I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how you could do your ponytail. You guys know I like a ponytail that's not too neat whenever it comes on to like 360 wigs and stuff. So at first I did like a top bun. So easy. It's I don't know, I just like the vibe when it doesn't look too neat, and so that's what I did, and that was it. So easy, very to the point. That's how it looks in the back, very discreet, you know. I love it. And I also decided that, you know what, let me go ahead and give you guys a little variation. So I switched it from a top bun to a lower bun, and this right here gives elegant. You could wear this to a more formal like setting, you know. It's definitely the vibe. Love it. So clean and gorgeous. What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna style it with the hair down. So let's jump into that. I was just showing you guys here the parting space that you have to work with in the front. If you want to do like a braided style, you want to do like a half up, half down, you can feel free to go ahead and explore. Today I opted for a side part for whatever reason. I don't know, that's just how I was feeling. I got my wax stick and then my hot comb to get it really nice and flat, and you're gonna see that in a bit. I was still taking my time to kind of just make sure the parting is how I wanted it to be. So once I was done with that portion, I just took my Hermosa elastic headband to kind of help to further secure my hairline. And this is how the hair looks. I love how fluffy and full the hair is. As I said, it's 220% in density. I was using to get the hair nice and redefined because I wanted to redefine those waves, and it was just really easy to work with and nothing much to it. Minimal shedding as well, so please note that. And I was enjoying this chocolate brown color. Not every day I install like a chocolate brown colored wig, so I really appreciated this look. Let me know what you guys think about it. You know, I feel like it's perfect for the people who might want to dibble and dabble in color just a little bit, but you don't want anything too, you know, bold, you know. This will help you to ease into the whole colored vibe because it's so muted, you know, but it's still really nice.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak, leave no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true, I'm digging you, you make me believe.
I pretty much just went in with my powder to redefine the parting there, so it could look a little bit more, you know, precise. And that was pretty much it. That's it. Let me know what you guys think. It's such a gorgeous look. I was feeling it. I'm gonna be sure to put the link to this wig in my description box, so please feel free to go ahead and check out down below for that information, as well as all the specifications. And yeah, that's it. Shout out to Hermosa here once more for today's gorgeous wig. Okay, perfect deep wave vibe, perfect for vacation. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.